Imagine waking up one morning, checking your bank account, and seeing an extra $10,000 deposited, all while you were sound asleep. This isn't some far fetched dream. It's a reality that thousands of people are achieving each month through passive income strategies. In this video, I'll break down 5 powerful passive income ideas that can help you reach that $10,000 monthly milestone in 2024. These aren't just lofty aspirations. They're actionable plans you can start right now to set yourself on the path toward financial freedom. Sound exciting? Let's dive in and explore these opportunities. What is passive income really? Before we dive into the details, it's important to understand that passive income doesn't mean you won't have to put in any work at all, at least not initially. The reality is that most passive income sources require some upfront effort, whether that's setting up a YouTube channel, creating a no-code software, or building an affiliate marketing funnel. However, once these systems are established, they can bring in revenue with minimal ongoing work, making them passive in the long term. With the right strategies, consistency, and persistence, you can build streams of income that generate money while you sleep. Now, let's dive in. Passive income. Idea number 1, starting a YouTube channel. YouTube remains one of the most powerful platforms for generating passive income. The best part? You don't need to be a celebrity or have a massive following to start making money. By consistently uploading quality content, you can tap into the power of YouTube's ad revenue system, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Think about this. Every time you upload a video to YouTube, that video can continue generating views and revenue for years to come. While it might not seem passive at first, as you will need to create content and grow your audience, the beauty of YouTube is that once you've built a backlog of evergreen content, those videos can earn money on autopilot. Why YouTube is still a goldmine. Massive audience growth. Over 40 million new users have joined YouTube since 2020. Despite this growth, only a tiny fraction of users actually create content, leaving a huge opportunity for new creators to step in. Another reason is scalable revenue streams. YouTube offers multiple ways to earn money, including ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling your own products or courses. Tools for success is also another reason. You no longer need to be an expert videographer to create compelling content. With tools like ChatGPT for scriptwriting, AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs, and free video editors like iMovie or HitFilm Express, anyone can start producing high-quality videos without a significant investment. How to get started. First, pick a niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Whether it's tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or self-improvement, there's a niche for everyone on YouTube. 2. Create a content plan. Plan your video topics and upload schedule in advance. Aim for consistency rather than perfection. 3. Leverage free tools. Use free resources like stock footage from Pexels or Dareful, and video editing software to keep your costs low while producing professional-looking content. Last, promote your content. Once your videos are up, share them across your social media channels and engage with your audience in the comments to build a loyal community. If you start now and stay consistent, you could be looking at a nice income stream in the coming year. Passive income idea number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most lucrative ways to earn passive income. By promoting other people's products or services, you earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your referral link. The best part? You don't need to create or own any of the products. You just need to focus on driving traffic to the sales page. The 2 types of traffic. Free traffic. If you have more time than money, start by generating free traffic. YouTube is one of the best platforms for this, as your videos can continue to attract views long after they've been uploaded. Instagram and TikTok are also great for promoting affiliate products using short-form content. The other form of traffic is paid traffic. If you're willing to invest some money up front, paid ads on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram can drive faster results. While it requires an upfront investment, the returns can be substantial if you're promoting high-ticket items with good commissions. How it works. Let's say you find a product with a $500 commission. If you can sell just 20 of these each month, that's a passive income of $10,000 per month. Many affiliate marketers earn even more by promoting software subscriptions or other products that offer recurring commissions, meaning they get paid monthly for as long as the customer stays subscribed. Getting started with affiliate marketing. First, find a niche. Choose a niche you're familiar with or passionate about. Popular niches include health, fitness, personal finance, and tech. 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Join affiliate programs for products you believe in. Websites like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or individual brand programs offer various products to promote. 3. Create content. Start by promoting affiliate products on YouTube, a blog, or social media platforms. Share product reviews, tutorials, or how-tos that genuinely add value to your audience. Last, track performance. Use tracking links and analytics to monitor your success and tweak your strategies accordingly. Affiliate marketing can be incredibly lucrative, and once your content is up and running, it can continue to generate commissions without any additional effort. Passive income idea number 3, no-code software development. In the past, creating software was a privilege reserved for tech wizards, or those who could afford to hire expensive developers. But today, with the rise of no-code platforms like Bubble.io, almost anyone can build and launch a software product without writing a single line of code. What is no-code software? No-code software refers to platforms that allow you to create apps, websites, and other digital products without needing technical knowledge. These platforms come with pre-built templates, drag-and-drop functionality, and automation features, making it easy for non-developers to turn their ideas into reality. Why no-code is a game changer? Low barrier to entry. You don't need a background in computer science or coding. You can create and launch your own software products with a minimal upfront investment. Another reason is recurring revenue. Software products often come with a subscription model, meaning your users pay monthly or annually. Imagine having 1,000 users paying $20 each month. That's $20,000 in recurring revenue. Scalability is also another reason. Software is highly scalable, meaning that once you've created your product, you can sell it to an unlimited number of users without needing to increase your workload. How to get started. First, learn the basics. Start by exploring no-code platforms like Bubble.io or Glide. Watch YouTube tutorials or take online courses to get familiar with how these platforms work. 2. Identify a problem to solve. The most successful software products solve a specific problem for their users. Whether it's a productivity tool, a fitness tracker, or a project management app, focus on creating something that adds value. 3. Build your MVP. Create a minimum viable product using the no-code tools. This doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to prove the concept and show potential customers what your product can do. Last, launch and market. Once your product is live, promote it on social media, YouTube, or via paid ads to attract your first users. Building no-code software requires some initial work, but once your platform is live, the recurring revenue can grow exponentially, providing true passive income. Passive income idea number 4, high-yield savings accounts. While it may seem less glamorous than the other ideas, storing your earnings in a high-yield savings account is one of the simplest and safest ways to generate passive income. Unlike traditional savings accounts that offer near zero interest, high-yield savings accounts provide a much better return on your money. Why choose a high-yield savings account? Low risk. Unlike stocks or cryptocurrency, your money is safe and FDIC insured up to $250,000. This makes high-yield savings accounts a great option for risk-averse individuals. Another reason is easy setup. All you need to do is deposit your money and the interest will start accumulating. There's no active work involved, making it a true form of passive income. How to get started. First, research banks. Look for banks offering high interest rates. Some online banks offer rates that are significantly higher than traditional banks, so make sure to shop around. Next, open an account. Once you've chosen a bank, open a high-yield savings account and start depositing your funds. Last, let your money grow. Over time, your interest will compound, generating passive income based on the balance in your account. Although the returns aren't as high as some of the other passive income strategies mentioned, it's an excellent way to earn money on funds you're already saving. Passive income idea. 5. Dividend investing. Once you start generating substantial income from other passive sources, investing in dividend-paying stocks is an excellent way to grow your wealth further. Dividends are payments that companies make to their shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis. By building a portfolio of dividend paying stocks, you can create a steady stream of passive income that grows over time. Why dividend investing works. Income growth. As companies grow, they often increase their dividend payouts, meaning your passive income will rise without any extra effort. Another reason is compounding. Reinvesting your dividends back into your portfolio can accelerate the growth of your wealth. Over time, this can lead to significant returns. Hedge against inflation is also another reason. As inflation rises, so do the prices of goods and services. Dividend investing helps protect your money from losing value over time. How to get started. First, open a brokerage account. Choose a platform like Vanguard, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood to start investing in dividend-paying stocks. Next, research dividend stocks. Look for companies with a strong history of paying dividends, ideally those with a growing dividend payout over the years. Last, invest and reinvest. Start small and reinvest your dividends to compound your earnings over time. There you have it, 5 powerful passive income ideas that can help you generate $10,000 or more per month in 2024. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, diving into affiliate marketing, building no-code software, earning interest through high-yield savings accounts, or investing in dividend stocks, these strategies can set you on the path to financial freedom. The key is to start now. Be consistent, and let time do the rest. The sooner you plant these income seeds, the sooner you'll be reaping the rewards. Thanks for watching. And if you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.